Okay, now are you ready to make our little Spanish cups?
Yes. Do you have me working here?
Yeah, I do. You gotta
I thought
work for
I was
your
supposed to
food in
come
my
over and then
kitchen.
just sit down and
No,
eat.
you cannot just sit over
I'm
and
just.
look
I know.
Okay, so while we're putting this together, tell me about your trip. Like, what are the places you went to? What did you see? What did you do?
Well, like I said earlier, I love to travel abroad for my birthday.
Yes.
So I met some amazing people.
Ooh.
So I always go by myself. Always
Okay.
travel by myself.
Can you take this
That's
one and set that over there?
almost the best way.
Oh, okay.
To go, yes.
Travel by herself.
Yes.
She didn't ask me to go or nothing. I like Greece. I like to travel.
Solo travel is the best because you're on your own schedule. You don't have
Yes.
to get together with the people you travel with to
Yeah.
try to figure out where they want to go, what they want to do.
Where.
You can just get up and pack your little backpack and just
be on
your way.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I met a beautiful young lady, Eva. I'm just gonna tell her name.
Eva. Aww. Okay, hold on one second. I want to tell everybody what we did here.
Okay. Yes.
So what I did was that we took frozen spinach, right, and just kind of warmed it up a little bit, and then put it in a piece of cheesecloth and just squeezed all the liquid out of there, right? Because we're using these cute little cups right here, and we don't want any moisture in here, right? They need to hold up. Okay, and then
empty.
I know, don't they? Like, ooh, these are so good. And I just brightened it up with a little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice. Okay, so let's see. Oh, garlic. I'm gonna let you handle.
I love garlic. I'm
gonna let you handle the garlic.
I love garlic. If I didn't sweat so much, I probably would have had a lot more garlic.
There you go, sweating again.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put the parsley in. Okay. How much garlic did you add? Oh, that's a good tablespoon. I like that.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do a tablespoon of parsley.
I want
too,
more,
but
I've just
Girl, put it in there.
Okay. All right. I will. Okay.
We eating this, right?
Yes.
Woohoo! Yes, to the garlic.
I love garlic.
All right.
I think I said that.
How are you at cracking eggs?
I'm gonna say I'm pretty good.
All right, go for it.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.
All right, I'm gonna try to do a one-handed
What?
crack. I'm gonna
Okay.
try.
All right. Wait a minute. For all the world to see.
Yes.
Handle your business.
Are we still gonna be friends if I
Maybe.
fail? Okay. Let's see.
What? Whoa! Okay, now your tail gotta go wash your hands. That was awesome, though, right? She actually did it. I was a little skeptical. I'm not gonna lie, I was. So while she's washing her hands, I'm gonna add some more onions. I'm gonna add some scallions to this. So, oh, they're really fine chopped too. My sous chef Caroline did an awesome job on these. Yes, she did. All right, now feta. It's Greek food. We have to have feta, right? Yes. And then we have a little cream cheese. Should I put it all in there?
Let's see.
It's like double Dutch.
Double Dutch.
Double Dutch with the cheese. Girl, that's feta. You better go for that. What are you doing? First I asked her opinion, then I'm like, what are you doing? You think that's enough? You want to start there, and then if we need to add more, we can add more? Okay, let's do that. Okay, tell me about Eva, darling.
Oh, yes, my friend Eva. Yes, so beautiful young lady I met in Greece.
Okay.
And when I travel, sometimes I make plans, sometimes I don't. So I just
that.
got a room for a few nights and met her and some other great people, and I didn't have any plans, and she didn't have any plans, so we just went traveling. So we went to a few other places.
Okay.
We went to Agana, which is an island.
Agatha? No, just kidding. Just kidding.
A beautiful island right outside of Greece, outside of Athens. And so we went there, and we stayed for a couple nights, and then we went to another place called Nafplio.
Say that again?
N-A-F, Plio, P-L-I-O.
Nafplio.
Nafplio, yeah.
Nafplio.
Yeah, it was beautiful, and we stayed there for a couple nights too, and just toured and walked around and ate and just had fun bike riding.
Just throw caution to the wind.
We
enjoy
did.
The moment.
Yeah, yes we did.
I'm down for that. I'm down for that.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't tell my sister every time I traveled abroad. My sister's always like, nervous about, you know.
Where you going? Where you going?
Yes, yes.
How long you gonna be there?
I know. So she would have had a heart attack if I went and like stayed with a stranger. So I didn't tell her.
Some things are best left as the stories once you come back from travel.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
And then you can come over and share the stories with me.
There you go.
And then we can announce them to the world
there
right
you go.
here on the show.
Yes. There you go.
All right. So I added a little bit of black pepper.
Oh.
I added some pink Himalayan sea salt. And I added some nutmeg. So in my opinion, whenever you're working with anything that has cheese in it, especially when you want it to be kind of savory, you want to hit it with a little bit of nutmeg in there. It kind of brings out the flavor.
Oh.
Yeah. Now what do you think? Do we need a little more cheese?
Let's see.
Grab that one.
Oh, this one. Oh.
Yeah. If you want to add some more. There's still some feta there.
It sounds like you like feta, so we're going to add a little bit more feta.
Okay.
Likes feta cheese.
Yeah, I know I like feta.
Yes.
What about the cream cheese? You good with that?
I think we're good with
We're good with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for asking.
I know, right? Like cream cheese.
So nice.
All right, there we go.
It smells really good.
So, wait a minute. So just so you know, okay, I try to stay away from dairy as much as possible. So this is actually vegan cream cheese.
Okay. In that case, there we go. We're going to add the rest of this.
See? I know her.
There we go.
I know. See? All right.
We're going to use
the
all
cheese
that.
is in.
The cheese is in. Yes.
The cheese is in.
This was regular cheese.
That's another story. Okay, yeah. That's why you were like, no.
Yeah.
I knew better.
Thank you, so sweet. Oh my goodness. I feel so special.
I know. You should.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right. How's it looking now?
It looks good. It looks good. And, you know, it's hard to find like vegan cheese, let alone cream cheese or like sour cream, all that kinds of stuff. Where do you buy your vegan?
I buy my vegan ingredients at Whole Foods.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right. So here we go. Oh yes. See, we want something that's nice. It holds up, right? It's thick. It holds up. That's exactly the consistency we're looking for.
That looks
so now all we have to do is get them into these cute little cups.
All right. And how do we do that?
All right. Here's our cute little cups. Can everybody see that? Our phyllo cups,
good.
right? Aren't they so cute and little? I love it.
Those are so good.
All right, so let's push all of this stuff aside. You can put the big bowl there.
Okay.
Grab your spoon. Okay. You're going to help me fill these guys up. Now, as you can see, we didn't fill up all of the cups, right? So we're just going to hit it with a little bit of spray. All right, and that kind of helps it from not sticking so much or kind of getting weird. You know, we don't want these to bake and these to bake, so that kind of helps out a little bit. All right, so let's get this out of the way.
Nice little trick.
And grab your spoon. We're going to have to get our hands in here again.
Okay.
So just put a little bit into the cup like this. And kind of push it down. There we go. I try not to overfill it. Like, that's one of my issues when I'm doing this, is I have too much, and then I'm like, uh-oh, that's not going to work. Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Yep. Nope, that's absolutely perfect. So I think we have 12 of these, right?
All right.
Did we count the meatballs?
We did not. I think we just
went for it,
yeah,
right?
we did.
Well, it doesn't matter. We're going to eat it all anyway.
Yeah, right. Now, have you made this before?
I have, but normally I do it the traditional way as a spinach pie. So I literally have the phyllo dough, and it's layered with butter, so it gets nice and crispy.
Okay.
And then you put this mixture in there and fold it over and make a little pocket, the pie,
and
bake it in the oven. Oh
nice.
my God, it's so good.
Good. Okay.
So good. Nice and flaky on the outside, good and savory on the inside.
I'm looking forward to tasting that.
Is that a hint? Is that a hint?
It is.
See, she's trying to make me stay in the kitchen. Stay in the kitchen. All right, here we go.
I'll help you.
Oh, you will? You'll come back over and do that?
Yes. I promise I will help you.
I'm
yes.
going to take you up on that. Y'all heard that, right? I'm just saying.
I love to cook.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I just only have one person to cook for, but I love to cook.
Okay. Yeah. Sometimes that's the best. You only have to please yourself.
That's right. I agree.
But I'm lucky because my husband loves everything that I cook. So.
That's good.
At least in my head, he does.
I'm sure the clean plates are evident.
Yeah.
He loves everything you cook.
Yeah. He's a part of that clean plate club for sure. Mm-hmm. Yes. And 9 times out of 10, he beats me eating. Oh, see? I look over and his plate is clean, right? Good. And I've only made it halfway through. I'm like, what happened here? How many more?
Is that it?
One?
That's it.
There's one more left.
Yeah.
Well, that was fast. Oh, see, I went
feeling?
All right.
It's okay.
Get out of here. Let's put this over here like that. Okay, how do they look?
They look good.
Clean
They
it
look
up?
good. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get these into the oven, and then we're going to start the calamari. I know.
Again,
Yeah.
I love calamari.
Food.
Yes.
We'll be right back. Okay, so we got to get these spinach cups in the oven, all right?
Okay.
Or they're not going to be ready when we...
Oh, no!
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to check on the meatballs. Oh, my God, would you look at that?
Oh, my God. They're
Woo!
beautiful.
I wish y'all could see, but you can't.